Okay, so how to fix Microsoft Store not working? Click on Start menu, type here Troubleshoot Settings, click on it. And here you can click on Other Troubleshoot. And the best way, what you can do is type here the next Windows app, like this. And here you can see Find and Fix. Yeah, here it is. Click on Next. It will detect problem. In my case, you can enable user account control. So select and click on Next. And it will solve your Microsoft Store apps problem. So once done, you can restart your computer and everything should works normal. Okay guys, hope this video was helpful. Make sure to like and subscribe.